GrapheneOS is standing up against digital age verification laws and won't be backing down anytime soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. GrapheneOS is a self-described privacy and security-focused mobile OS designed for Google Pixel devices. The team behind GrapheneOS said that it'll remain usable by anyone around the world without requiring personal information, identification, or an account. They said, if GrapheneOS devices can be sold in a region due to their regulations, so be it. This stance comes after Brazil's digital ECA implements that the country will fine operating systems around $9.5 million per violation if they don't verify users' age. States, including California and Colorado, are also bringing their own age verification laws for operating systems. And UK and Australia are going for strict website access for younger users. GrapheneOS has recently partnered with Motorola as well. Motorola's next smartphone will run the secure operating system with a focus on it being an enterprise-worthy handset. Though if it is banned in various countries and states, that could limit the gadget's market. At the same time, it's unclear how long its defiance can hold out. Age verification is a growing government focus globally, but for those concerned with privacy, GrapheneOS has cemented its place as the phone operating system to consider. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.